Howdy friends! I guess that I'm just a hair dyeing channel now. My hair is still blonde. It's not like the cute like goldeny ashy blonde like it was. It's kind of more yellow now. The toner is kind of like faded. So I guess it's time to dye my hair again. I'm gonna be dyeing it pink today. I'm gonna be using the color Brilliance Permanent Brights in the color Flamingo. It says to mix it with a volume 10 developer, but I only have a volume 20 and I don't want to go to the store and buy anymore. So we're just gonna use the 20. You may hear my cat and you may hear my bird. I'm sorry. I'm hoping that this actually turns out looking good and not just turn my hair into actual shit. As you can see, my roots have been growing back in. I'm not touching them up because that's the kind of white trash that I am. I'm just saying that we just jump right into it and hopefully this turns out looking like thebomb.com. So I'm gonna use a mixing bowl and mix I have two of these. I'm gonna put two of these in here and mix it with equal parts of developer. I also don't have any gloves, so fuck my hands, I guess. I really don't want this to be like super bright. That's pretty bright. I have some white conditioner. I might try to dilute it a little bit. So I've been considering starting a weight loss vlog. I don't know if I'm going to be doing that on this channel or if I'm going to make a new channel, because if you can't tell, if you go like look at me now and then go back to my like very first video, I've gained a significant amount of weight and it's frustrating and I kind of just want to document it. I just don't know if that's something that my subscribers here would like or if I should just completely start a new channel. So let me know in the comments. And that's how much is just in one tube. Now I'm gonna put in my developer, mix it up and see what we have. It's really thick. Still pretty bright ass pink. I forgot to add a disclaimer. I'm not a professional and have no idea what the fuck I'm doing. I just like fucking up my hair. I might add some white conditioner. I don't think that this has any shit in it. Silicone in it. No, it does not. That looks the exact fucking same, so I'm just gonna put it on my fucking head, I guess. Look like Eileen Warnos right now. Here we go. Ooh, she bright.
How many shrimps do you have to eat before you make your skin turn pink? Eat too much and you'll get sick. Shrimps are pretty rich.
This is a look. Wow, I look like a 12-year-old scene queen. Did I just put this in my hand and then apply it like that? I sure did. Forgot to read how long this is supposed to sit on my hair. Okay. 20 to 40 minutes. Since my hair is pretty light and I don't want it to be super vibrant, I'm probably gonna leave it on for like another 15. It's been on my hair for a little bit while now, especially this side. Like I have a shit ton of this left. Alright, I'm gonna let this sit and then I'm gonna wash it out and then I'll come back and show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so I just got out of the shower and I think, I don't know, I'm gonna blow dry it and we'll see, but I think this is kind of what I was going for. It's obviously like a lot brighter at my ends because my hair was a lot lighter there to begin with, but up here is kind of just like a, I don't know, rose goldy-ish color. I'm sure a lot of people wouldn't like that because it kind of looks like my blonde is coming through, which it kind of is in some places with the light, but I don't know, I think that that's just kind of cute. I like faded pink colors. My hands are still pretty pink, but yeah, let's blow dry it and see how it looks. Alright, so my hair's still a little damp, but I think that we've got like the basic gist of what this looks like. Sliding kind of makes my hair look like it's very yellow with just like a very slight orange tint, but it is kind of more rose goldy, I guess. And I actually think this looks really cute. Some people, however, would not think that, which is understandable. But I don't think that it's the dye's fault. I think that it's my fault. Because you can tell on my ends that the pigmentation is there and that it's really a bright pink color. You know, up here my hair wasn't very light. I did add that white conditioner as well, which probably didn't help it, but I just kind of like to fuck around with things and then throw it on my hair and see what happens. Usually I style my hair, like put this up and I'll have it like in a pony up here. Anyway, it is 11:05 in the morning. I haven't went to bed yet, so I'm gonna go to bed. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it wasn't very like me just fucking around and being stupid. It was more just another tutorial type video, but I hope you enjoyed it anyway. If you did, subscribe. Let me know what you think about the weight loss vlog type thing. I don't know what I'm doing with my arms. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!